Dear applicants, thank you for participating in IUT entrance examination. For prospective students at IUT, welcome to the 2023 IUT entrance examination orientation. We prepared this video to guide you through the written examination procedure. First, we will talk about timetable of the examination. As you can see here on the slide, May 6 will be examination day for SOCI contract applicants. There are two groups, which are SOCI 1 and SOCI 2. SOCI 1 applicants should arrive to the examination hall by 9:10 a.m. The examination will start at 10:20 and will proceed until 11:20 a.m. SOCI 2 applicants should arrive to the examination hall by 11:10 a.m. The examination will start at 1:10 p.m. and will proceed until 2:10 p.m. Please note, you shouldn't be late because applicants won't be allowed to enter the examination hall after arrival time. Here is the timetable, including arrival time and examination hour for May 7th for SBL contract applicants. SBL contract applicants should arrive to the examination hall by 10:10 a.m. The examination will start at 11:20 a.m. and will proceed until 12:20 p.m. Here are the things you should prepare. You should have identification card or passport. A valid passport or ID card is required. Here are the things you must keep in mind. For SOCI contract applicants, you will have the exams on two subjects: mathematics, including 21 questions, and physics, including 9 questions for an hour. For SBL contract applicants, you will have the exam only one subject: mathematics, 30 questions included for an hour. Please note, there will be no extra time for marking answers on the OMR card, which is answer sheet, and that you should mark the answers within the given time. There is only one correct answer per each question. No penalty point is applied to an incorrect answer. There will be no break time during the exam, and you are not allowed to leave the exam hall during the examination. Things you must obey before, during, and after the examination. You must follow every instruction given by the exam headquarter and proctors. Please note, only use the pen given by In-High University. Do not commit any form of cheating, misbehavior, or suspicious behaviors. Any portable electronic devices, such as smartphone, smartwatch, calculator, tab, are not allowed to bring into the exam hall. If you have any questions, raise your hand. Never call the proctor loudly for any reason. Once the exam starts, the exam paper and OMR card shall not be replaced. You cannot use bathroom during the exam. When the proctor says time is up, stop and raise your both hands on your head. You can see the actual OMR answer sheet for SOCI applicants on this slide, and I will explain how you should fill in the information and answers. You can find your application number on the desk label. You should check and find out the type of your examination paper first. You can find it in the upper left of the exam paper cover page. After that, you should fill in all the entries on the left side of OMR answer sheet. They are like surname, given name, department, and application number. For example, for surname you can write Dean, given name James, department SOCI, test type B, and application number 10235. After you write your application number, you should mark the numbers below accordingly. And below the application part, there are two boxes saying absence from examination and proctor signature. You should not mark there. Please leave them empty. On the right side of the OMR answer sheet, you should mark the answers for the questions from 1 to 30 only. Please do not mark rest of the answer sheet. You can see the actual OMR answer sheet for SBL applicants on this slide, and I will explain how you should fill in the information and answers. you can find your application number on the desk label. You should check and find out the type of your examination paper first. You can find it in the upper left of the exam paper cover page. As I have mentioned on the previous slide, you should fill in all the entries on the left side of OMR answer sheet: your surname, given name, department, and application number. For example, for surname Dean, given name James, for department SBL, and the test type B. The application number here 10010. After you write your application number, you should mark the numbers below accordingly. And below the application part, there are two boxes saying absence from examination and proctor signature. You should not mark there. Please leave them empty. On the right side of the OMR answer sheet, you should mark the answers for the questions from 1 to 30 only. Please do not mark the rest of the answer sheet. Things you should know about OMR card, which is answer sheet. Check and find out the type of your examination paper first. You can find your test type in the upper left of the exam paper cover page. Write down on your OMR card the same type as that of your examination paper so that your OMR card and your examination paper will be matched for each other as a pair. Fill out the left side of OMR card with your personal information such as your SIR and given name, registration number, and the department name, SOCI or SBL you're applying for. You must mark only one answer choice per each question on the OMR card. If you need correction tape, raise your hand, never call the proctor. Thank you for watching this video. Do your best and good luck on your exams. Dear students, from now on I will be explaining to you how to use your answer sheet and how to remove 3 sealings from your examination paper. As you can see, you have the answer sheet, examination paper, and 2 pens, black and red. With a black pen, fill out the left part of your answer sheet: surname, given name, and department. You can find your test type on the left upper part of examination paper. In my case, it is B type, so I will mark letter B. Then you should write your application number here. After, you have to fill it accordingly. So now we are done with the left part. You can start transferring your answers from examination paper to the answer sheet right here. However, make sure that you will not be given any extra time to transfer your answers, so you should do it during the given time. Now, make sure that you fill out the down part of your examination paper right here. So the department is SOCI, application number, passport number, surname, and given name. And now with a red pen, we will remove 3 sealings from the examination paper. We will take a pen and put it on the paper here and slide it very fast. The same here and here. Now you're done. You can start your examination. Good luck.